Now we shall talk first of all about the first theorist. He is the earliest post-colonial theorist, the first post-colonial theorist, that is Frantz Fanon. Means historically, he is considered as one of the earliest post-colonial theorists. He lived between 1925 to 1961. He was born in the French colony of Martinique. He fought with the French in World War II, remained in France after the war to study medicine and psychiatry. And throughout his career, short career actually, he lived for a short period of time. You can see that. Okay, he died at the age of what we say, 36 or so. So Fanon provides post-colonialism with two influential texts. These are very important texts by Frantz Fanon: Black Skin, White Masks of 1952 and The Wretched of the Earth of 1961. So these are the two important influential books in post-colonialism. In these and other works of Fanon, he uses psychoanalytical theory to examine the condition of blacks under French colonial rule. And because of colonialism, Fanon asserts that both the colonized, that is the other, any person defined as different from, and the colonizers suffer. Means any person who is other than white. The colonized and the colonizer suffer psychic warping, and that causes what he calls as, or what he describes as, a collapse of the ego. So it's a kind of psychic warping. A war goes on in the mind, and there is a collapse of the ego out of this particular warping. And he believes that as soon as the colonized, now here he refers to the blacks living in Martinique, were forced to speak the language of the colonizers, that is French. The colonized either accepted or were coerced, means the people of Martinique. Or colonized means any part of the world, we can say. For example, Indians were the colonized. They either accepted or were coerced into accepting, were forced into accepting the collective consciousness of the French, thereby identifying blackness with evil and sin and whiteness with purity and righteousness. So that is what he puts forth in his theory, in his psychoanalytic theory. Yes, French people, made the people of Martinique, their colony, think that black color is the mark of evil and sin, whereas whiteness was the mark of purity and righteousness. So this continued. In another book, The Wretched of the Earth, Fanon argues that an entirely new world must come into being to overcome this binary system, in which black is evil and white is good. And he develops a Marxist influenced post colonial theory, which he calls for violent revolution, a type of revolution in which he himself was involved when he became a participant and spokesperson for the Algerian revolutionaries against France. Uh, he also develops in this particular book, The Wretched of the Earth, one of his major concerns. What is that? The problem of the native bourgeoisie. Means within these subaltern, within these marginalized groups, colonized groups, they were bourgeois, native people. The way we had our zamindars, the rulers. who assumed power after the colonial powers. So during the British India, we had these, what we call the kingly states, such as Hyderabad, Mysore, Bombay, not Bombay, I'm sorry, Gwalior, Indore, etc. So these kind of princely states were there. So these were also equally, the centers of power after the colonial powers. And when such a situation occurs, the native proletariat, working class, who are described as the wretched of the earth, okay, who are the wretched of the earth, the working class people, the proletariat, they are left on their own, often in a worse situation than before the conquerors arrived. So this is what happens. So in his writing, we come across his concern with the otherness, the subject formation, and he emphasizes on linguistic and psychoanalytic frameworks. And on these frameworks, his theory develops.